Hi, good morning. Paul here. It is Wednesday, January 9th. Boy, a whole week into the new year. Happy 2019, by the way, everybody. Let's see what's going on with the Las Vegas market for the last couple of days. We missed yesterday. I was busy with meetings all day yesterday, so let me see here. New listings on the market. We have, so we'll do 2 days here. Oh, look at that. Lot of stuff. There's 100, 150. Okay, 164. Interesting. And of course there's some price decreases there. One price increase. And so on. So let's see what kind of pricing we have going on in the last couple of days. Get that straightened out. And that straightened out. Okay, $65,000 for this manufactured mobile home. And there you go, a little single wide. Guess it has to be probably cash. And it's here in Las Vegas somewhere. Let's see where it is. Desert Inn and Cabana. Okay, a little mobile home park there. Yeah. This whole area here is mobile homes. So that is the lowest price for $65,000. I think that's kind of personal property also. You're buying a 3,900 square foot lot with it. You own the land, no space rent, low monthly HOA, so on and so forth. And cash only, I'm sure. Yep, cash only, I'm sure. So what else do we have here? And let me get to the highest price in the last 2 days. 3.5. Well, actually, let's get into here. And looks like a $1.8 million little house over here, 7,100 square feet with a pool and a spa. That's nice. A lot of green there. Great curb appeal. Good outdoor living area. Nice pool. Very nice. I like that sweeping staircase. It's just, if this was open, it'd be really nice. Oh well. All it takes is money to fix that. Like it's kind of dated. A few upgrades here and there. I like those doors. Fireplace, so on and so forth. Bidet, big shower, closet. Oh, look at this great kitchen. Looks like what's over here? Some tables or something. There's a good sized kitchen. Different countertop here. Sometimes that's the style. White cabinets. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. What year was it built? 1994. Yep, that explains it. Let's go back to that $3.5 million price point. Oh, we're on McLeod. Let's see what it looks like. That's a couple of days ago. Big great room. Massive bedrooms. View of the strip. Upstairs, there's a security gate there. It's probably for this property because it's probably on a large parcel. And there's a big lot here. This is this estate here. And here's a strip in the background. So you're paying for some nice land too. Big gate. 2.2 acres. Wow. Tropical sanctuary. John. Interesting, built in 77. And where is this little turkey? McLeod and Flamingo. Okay. Large parcels there, as you can see. Zoom in here. See, so this is a 2.2 acre. Here's another 2.2 acre, it looks like. These are all probably an acre or 3/4 acre. So lots of old estates here. Pretty nice. Okay, so that's new listings. Let's see what we got back over here on sold. It's 187. Actual close dates. Let's see, today's the 9th. So we'll go back a few days. The 8th, 60 of them closed escrow. Price point. Yeah, come on. Let's get these things straightened out. Actual close date, the 9th. And the price. Oh well, it's not working the way I want. Oh, here it is. So the lowest priced one in the last couple of days, we had one at 75, manufactured home. And a little townhome over here on Smoke Ranch for 85,000. 2-bedroom, 1 bath. That one closed escrow. I sold one of these a couple of years ago. They're nice little units for the price. A little pool in the complex. Let's find out what the highest priced one that closed escrow was. 1.8, 2.9 million. Oh, somebody got a nice paycheck. 7,200 square feet, 10-car garage. Interesting. Circular. There's a lot of stuff here. Big wine cellar, big bar. Cool. Let's see, where is this guy? Built in 2004. Horizon and McDonald. Okay, McDonald Highlands area. Yeah, it's in McDonald Highlands. Big parcel there. Big house. What is the parcel size? 6,407 acre, 27,000 square foot lot. Good golly. Let's see, we've got a couple of them. We went under contract 237, under contract 127. This is the most important one here, and doesn't really tell us a whole lot, but these things sold immediately, went from active to under contract one day. All these sold in one day. These actually sold in one day, 2 days, 3 days. So the market's quite active. Okay, so that's that. I've got a couple of other things I wanted to show you here. Take a little bit more time today. Let me get into some things here. Where is it? Inventory stats. Here we go. These stats came out yesterday or the day before. So single family homes, average days on the market 40. This is market wide, of course. Average sold price 346, median Average list price 5.25. We got 3.3 months of inventory. And we're going, this is where the market is. Under 250 is 40%, 39%, 250 to 400 is 45. So here's where most of the market is, right there. Closed volume, 44% at 250 to 400. And months of inventory has jumped up tremendously. I mean, these things used to have like 2, 1.5, 2. Now they're jumping up to 4 and 5. Average days to sell. We're up to, I mean, incredible. 38 days, 42 days. And we are down a bit. Went from 2627 last year. These are single-family residential closings to 21, so we're down about a little under 500 units for 2018. Townhomes, 70 units. High-rise condos, 85, 56. Everything's down as far as volume goes, except our supply. This is what's available, this is what's sold. This is why we're getting into 3 months of inventory. 3.3. And this is the change in single family median price 217 to 218. Jump clear up there. I don't know what that is. 1.4. I don't know what happened there. Oh, that's luxury sales, excuse me. Selected communities. Okay, Sun City, Anthem. How about Seven Hills? Yeah, there it is. We're at 400 now, up 16%. It's incredible. Okay, well, taken enough of your time today, so we'll go over a couple more things next tomorrow, and you have a wonderful day.